Let's use the sum function to evaluate sales numbers in this spreadsheet. Select cells C9 through E9. With the Home tab selected, go to the Editing group and click on Auto Sum to add the numbers in the column. To get the total for all the numbers, click on cell C11, Input equals Sum, press the Tab key, then select cells C9 through E9 and press Enter. To just get the totals for the numbers in row 4, which is electronics, and row 8, which is small appliances, input the sum function, press the Tab key, then select the numbers in row 4, input a comma, then select the numbers in row 8, then press Enter. Math functions can also be used to add numbers that meet a specific criteria. For example, we can look at the total expense of sending regular mail and the total expense of sending express mail as separate numbers. To do this, we're going to use the SUMIF function. Click on cell E2, input equals SUMIF, press the Tab key, then click on the Insert Function button to open the Insert Function dialog box. An easy way to understand how to input function arguments using SUMIF is to think of the inputs as answers to questions. The first question would be, where should I look? And in this case, it's column B. Press the Tab key. The next question is, what should I look for? And it will be the words regular mail. Now we can just type in the words regular mail, or we can click on the words inside one of the cells. Press the Tab key. And the last question is, what is the sum range? In other words, where can we find the number we're looking for? Which would be column C. The SUMIFS function can be used when we want to add numbers with 2 or more criteria. So we'll input SUMIFS and open the function arguments dialog box. And for the first function, we're going to answer the question, what is the sum range, which is column E. Press the Tab key. Where to look for the first criteria, which is type of mail, is going to be in column B. And what to look for is regular mail. The second criteria is going to be destination, and we're looking for the word domestic. Click OK or press Enter, and you'll see the result. And we can repeat these steps to get results based on other criteria. Let's take a look at a couple of ways we can do multiplication using math functions. The first way is to use the product function, which is used by inputting equal product, pressing the Tab key, and the function arguments can be inputted using the left key on the keyboard to select the first number, insert a comma, then select the second number using the left arrow key, and then pressing Enter. You can use autofill to calculate the rest of the numbers in the column, and use AutoSum to add the numbers. SUMPRODUCT is a function that can be used to select ranges of numbers that can be multiplied and then added together using one function. I can click on a cell and input SUMPRODUCT, and I can select all the numbers under quantity, input a comma, then select all the numbers under cost per unit, and it will give me the total cost of everything that was purchased.